bare bones, 2 fishing pools. Rig. Little worms. Ready? This one? Oh my goodness! Babe, you're good. You're like a pro now. You're like a pro. I can't get him to bite the middle. There we go. There we go. Got one. Perfect hook. Look. Ooh. Fish on. Fish off. Oh, those are apples? Those apples? Sure, boo. Sure, boo. Oh, that's protein. Launch. What? I don't know. Probably not. No, that's all craziness over there. The water's, we would have to go back up and then go down further. Like, go back up there and come down. Cause that's too, the stream's too crazy. That looks sick, huh? 100%. Oh, little fishy poo. Little fishy poo. I caught him good, look. I didn't do an Andreas this time. Come on, guy. Come on, there you go. Go back in there. I'm doing all this with the Shakespeare pink rod with a messed up line, huh? Wish I had my fish on. Dude, if we had the neg rig right now. Oh, fish on, babe. Fish on, babe. Oh, what happened, boo boo? What happened, boo boo? You stay away from my fish. You caught, is that turtle following it?
I don't know.
That was a turtle. It looked like a turtle. Swanshing through the water. A fishy on right here. Little baby. Little baby. What's up, baby? Oops. I thought the fishy on. There's his amigos right there. Try telling him what happened. Don't eat
That's
the
a
bite.
nice one too, babe.
Oh, oh, oh. Read up. Okay, nice. Look at that one.
First cast.
First cast. Holy moly. Holy moly.
Right, look at right in the lip.
Perfect, babe. I think you stole my fish, though. Oh, damn it. It ate my worm.
Your hook on?
Yeah.
I don't want to fish in the left.
It ate my worm, look. Yikes.
I need to get in line.
We need to get one of these.
I can't pass.
You casted it last time.
It doesn't pass. Oh, fuck.
There we go. And, oh, still got my worm. Yes. It's a little dink compared to your monster. A perfect hook, look. Bam. They're all just over there, huh? And Ashley with baby Olivia. Olivia. Oh. Oh. Oh, whoa, look at that. Woo! Dang, and you lost the, you didn't keep losing worm. Good job, babe. Good job, babe. Can you get the hook out? You need help? Got him?
One more.
Oh, now just one more, huh?
You stole all the worms.
I did not steal anything. I purchased them. Let's see what she gets, huh? Uh-oh. I think there's bigger ones than that. I think I got the smallest fish ever. Ash, look. Where you at? Look.
Stay in the water. Stay in the water.
I'm over here fixing Ashley's pool, but she's over here catching my fish with my pool because she messed up her fishing pole.
Look at that guy.
I don't care.
Neat. That. Beauty. Oh, my worm's gone.
Oh, good. Ooh, oh man. These fish are like vicious over here. Ash? Ash? Ashley? I think these fish are vicious over here. Ooh, nice one. All right. There's a nice one right there. Bait down here. Do you need some assistance? Oh my gatos. Oh my gatos. And that is all, folks.